how I make a pizza. I'm hungry. Let's eat some bread. Delicious. Let's try the other one. Oh, yummy. Last bites and yummy. Wait. I'm so hungry. Oh, let's make some pizza. So first take yourself a plate. Add flour. 3 spoons will be like 4 spoons will be enough. A little bit salt, sugar, some yeast, some olive oil, some water, and now mix it up. That you'll get that. Now keep it in a warm place and fold it very tight so that it gets warm and the yeast rises the dough. That looks good. Now I prefer an oven. Well, a preheated oven if you want. By the way, let's cut our meat. If you want veg, you can make veg. So, now we have our chicken ready. Some lemon juice, some turmeric powder, some red chili powder, and some salt for the taste. Mix until you get this. So now let's check our dough. Wow, that is so cool. Our dough has risen up a bit. And now let's mix it a bit. Don't mix it too much, otherwise it might get smaller. Now our vegetables are cut now. So it's time to make the pizza. And we need some meat. So now I'm going to add some holes just for the pizza to get cooked. Now we add the sauce. Spread it. And now we also take our onions, spread it around the pizza. You can choose your type of ingredients. Well, I just prefer that. Some capsicum. And don't forget our mushrooms. That looks yummy. And now obviously we can't forget our chicken. Let's put it around. You can make veg if you want, or salami, or the beef. Your type, your wish. So now we can't forget the cheese. Definitely cheese. I love cheese. Comment down below if you love cheese. Let's put more. That isn't enough. Let's just put a bit more. Cool. Come on, just a bit more. Okay, now our pizza is ready. Let's make more. Oh my god, that looks delicious. It's time to bake them. I put 2 in the oven and 1 in the pan. Set it around like about 10 minutes. And wow, we love that. Look how cheesy and tasty it looks. It's time to taste it. Oh, hot. Tasty. Oh, hot. God, that was hot. Sorry. Yummy. Time for a pan pizza. Oh my god, it looks so yummy. It's so tasty, I can't stop eating. God, it's so yummy. Well, I like that. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share it to your friends. Goodbye.